Hi everyone. Uh, Today we will discuss the fundamental aspects of uh, lead optimization. First, you need to know what is lead and what is an hit. If you go the fundamental aspects of lead optimization, for that you require a software. Let me take you to another software, that is O-Series Molecular Properties Explorer. This is a fundamental aspects where you can optimize your lead based upon the structural inputs which you give. Here it is an O-Series Property Explorer. You should simply download it. However, you require an running Java environment to enable this application to run on your system. Once you download, you will have a web option like this. So this is your server which require an internet for your data to be analyzed. For that, you require the input in your SMILES format. So let us take a molecule which is in SMILES format. So for that, we will take any structure. This is my chemical structure. So I'll just convert into SMILES format. Now the SMILES, this is an openable graphical user interface. You can even get back to this on my ligand preparation lecture. So I have published this molecule in a paper of bioorganic chemistry. So this is a very beautiful paper which has some 13 citations. So this is a basic moiety, that is essential pharmacophore present in my molecule, and which contains some certain substituents. This is my substituents which are present on my molecule. So let us see how this lead optimization server will help me in sketching the molecule. Now this is my molecule which I have converted into SMILES format. I'll simply copy this molecule and just go back into my O-Series web server. I'll simply paste my molecule and click enter. Once I click enter, what I am able to see, let us see here. So let me go back and take a very simple structure. So let me do this. Okay, this is a very complicated structure, so that's why the software is not able to see. However, let me try one more time and simply go back and paste your structure and simply enter. So yeah, this is your structural inputs which you have given to the software. Now the software has given you some data. Now if you see, it is highly mutagenic. It is it's not, and the rest three parameters are green in color. That means you have to only bother about this red parameter. Now you see the C log P is also not proper. Solubility is also not proper. The molecular weight is also not proper. The drug likeness index is also not proper, and the drug score. So by looking into all these, now you need to optimize the structure. Now what is a hit? Hit is a molecule which is having a micromolar activity. That means the biological activity of a molecule is expressed in micromolar. When you optimize it, it will express in nanomolar. That is the lead molecule. The lead molecule will have always the minute concentration. It will be more effective biologically. That is a fundamental difference between a hit and a lead. So here you have a eraser. You simply remove all the parts which are probably or maybe causing certain teratogenic properties, and by doing so you can see what changes you are getting in your side panel. Now this is your panel. Now what changes you are getting, you can simply see by simply changing your structural inputs. So once I do this, see now a few of my parameters say solubility is increased, molecular weight is under control, drug likeness is also very good, drug score. Now the see, even then some mutagenicity is there in my molecule. Let us see, I will further remove some structural inputs and check whether I have mutagenicity or not. First and foremost thing is you should ensure that there should not be any destruction in the pharmacophore, and there should be only destruction in the toxicophore. So in doing so, still you are seeing the mutagenicity. The mutagenicity is probably because of your benzene ring. So now this part of the lecture explains you how to optimize your lead molecule, how to optimize the hit to lead, and how to design your molecules. Hope you understand. Subscribe, share, and lectures. Thank you all.